Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the GRE exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test format, including its sections and scoring. Next, develop a structured study plan that fits your timeline, allocating sufficient time for each subject. Finally, collect high-quality study materials, prioritizing official ETS guides and practice tests for the most accurate preparation. To master the GRE, dedicate time to each section. For verbal reasoning, expand your vocabulary consistently and practice reading comprehension. In quantitative reasoning, review fundamental math concepts and solve a wide variety of problems. For analytical writing, practice crafting well-structured essays, focusing on clear arguments and effective communication. Consistent effort across all areas is key. Effective strategies are crucial for test day success. Practice managing your time efficiently during each section to ensure you complete all questions. Take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam experience. After each practice test, thoroughly review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to identify areas needing more attention and refine your approach. As your test day approaches, prioritize getting sufficient rest to ensure you are mentally sharp. On the day of the exam, maintain a calm and confident mindset, trusting in the hard work you've put in. Remember, your preparation has equipped you with the tools to succeed. Approach each question thoughtfully and give it your best effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.